let's make chicken quesadillas. So I sprayed my pan with some avocado oil spray. Now you could also make these healthier with some multigrain. Since I have a ton of the flour tortillas left and these taste a little better, and I've been making them this way for years, I'm using these up. Now, I use Mexican blend cheese, or I use Colby Jack cheese. Can't ever have enough cheese. And then I'm going to put the lid on it, then put on the timer, set it to low because we want the cheese to get nice and melty. So I'm going to set the timer for about 4 minutes. Then flip it up, flipping now. You can tell I've been doing this for a while. So just cook it for maybe another 3 minutes and then it should be done. And then I cut it with a pizza slicer. Use guacamole, sour cream. I've also cooked these with, you can make them with peppers and onions. I sauteed the onions first. You could also make shrimp ones. Okay, I fibbed. It was 2 minutes on the second side, but as you could see, this is my half of the chicken and cheese quesadilla, and it is about to be delicious. This is how I serve it, and it is one of my favorite quick and easy dinners.